Hey, I'm Rob. I'm here to show you how to reset your chains. So the first thing we want to do is get a device or some way to control the system while we're up working on it. I use my phone, using WebControl, load the page. What we do is we go to Menu, Actions, and within Actions we scroll to Calibration Setup where it says Reset Chains. To reset the chains, we press the button and we get an indication for the left motor and the right motor. What we're going to do is we're going to go find the marks on the chains that we made when we calibrated or extended the chains for the first time. We marked that with a magic marker. So we're going to hang the sled, pull the chain off the sprocket, line up the sprocket, zero it, and then move it to the mark, and then press chains manually reset. And that's pretty much all we do, and so I'll show you how to do it here real quick. Okay. We disconnect the sled. I just hook mine here. Chains are slack. Climb up here, slip the chain off the sprocket, and I have this chain roller here that I lay it on. Goes there. I have marks on my teeth to line up, and this left one is off clockwise, probably about 5 degrees. So I put my phone here nearby, and I say I want to go left 5 degrees, so five. And not quite. That should have gone 10 degrees, that's about how far off it was. Okay, with a little bit of slop, I hold that, and I measure, I think I went just a little, hold that flat on there. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so then I grab the mark that I made, and I take that and I slide it across that top tooth so that my mark is straight up. So my mark is right there, and that sprocket is straight. And then I go do the same thing for the other side. The chain then goes over the 12 o'clock link, so it points straight up. And we hit chain manually reset, and then we put the sled back in position, which consists of lining up the ring, rollers, get the sled off. Like that. Just some in my plexiglass. Like that. And then we are in the extended chain position, which for me is 1650 because that's what I put. That's the default and I haven't changed it. We can go to Actions and return to center, which should then lower it dead center. And so if ever you lose USB connection or your laptop goes to sleep or whatever the issue is, when WebControl thinks the sled is in a place that's different than what the Arduino thinks, it'll give you an error and it says you need to reset your chains. We just reset our chains. It's now in the middle, right there.